Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your electric school bag. First, ensure your bag's battery is fully charged, which typically takes about 3 to 4 hours for a complete cycle. Once charged, carefully connect the battery to the designated internal power port within the main compartment. Next, adjust the padded shoulder straps and chest buckle to achieve a balanced and comfortable fit, distributing the weight evenly across your back. This initial setup ensures optimal performance and comfort for daily use. Your electric school bag comes equipped with several smart features designed to enhance your daily routine. Utilize the integrated USB charging ports, often 2 or 3, to power up your phone or tablet on the go. Explore the various smart compartments, including a padded laptop sleeve for devices up to 15 inches and smaller pockets for pens and notebooks, keeping everything organized. Don't forget to activate the built-in LED safety lights, especially useful during early mornings or late evenings, providing up to 50 feet of visibility. Proper maintenance is key to extending the lifespan of your electric school bag. Before cleaning, always disconnect the battery pack to prevent any electrical issues. For the exterior, gently wipe it down with a damp cloth and a small amount of mild soap, avoiding harsh chemicals that could damage the fabric. Allow it to air dry completely. When not in use, store your bag in a cool, dry environment, away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures, to protect its electronic components. For your safety and the longevity of your electric school bag, always adhere to a few best practices. Avoid overpacking the bag beyond its recommended capacity, typically around 20 to 25 pounds, as this can strain the zippers and internal wiring. Never expose the bag to heavy rain or submerge it in water, as most models are only splash resistant. Regularly inspect all cables and connections for any signs of wear or damage, replacing them, if necessary, to maintain optimal functionality and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.